Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can use your iPad mini 7th generation as a second monitor or second screen for your MacBook. So first of all, on both your MacBook and your iPad mini 7, you want to make sure that you are using the same Apple account. So log into the same account, the same Apple account, in order to be able to synchronize both devices. In addition to that, make sure that Wi-Fi is enabled on both devices and you are connected to the same network. And Bluetooth also should be enabled as well. In addition to that, you need to go to General, go to AirPlay settings, and then turn on handoff. You want to make sure that this option is actually enabled, just like it is over here. Once these settings are on, once everything is set up, then on your MacBook, you want to go to the top right corner of the screen, and then you want to press the screen mirror button. It should be somewhere next to the date. And then you should have the option to connect with your iPad. And once you do that, then your iPad should be used also as the monitor for your MacBook. And furthermore, you can also go to display settings on your MacBook in order to change the position of your iPad. So if you actually want to have your iPad screen on the right side, if you want it to be moved to the right side, then of course you can do that over there. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!